baby project. They got a project out here. Where she at? I know she out here waiting.
Oh, look. That got me in a puddle now.
First thought. Baby Mopar car. Let's hope and pray it start. Ooh. Ooh. Look at. Ooh.
Okay.
First start, bitch start.
It started up good.
Oh, that's not no aftermarket radio in there. That's a factory radio. Put it in reverse real quick. Put the foot on the brake. Put it in reverse. The camera should come straight on. Stop playing. Let me see. It's probably just dirty. Get it cleaned up a little bit. A little bit.
That window don't go down.
She's putting on the finishing touches.
Dang. I think I messed this board up.
I don't say about the top, but it's good. It's good. Let's see. Airbag on its way. Ooh. Big screen. Netflix and Ryan. No, I'm just distracting you how you be doing me.
Okay. Cole, what you want? What you bothering me for? This how you be feeling?
I don't voice it. You bold.
I'm dead. I'll give you.
Yes, we be cheating.
On my soul, do our own work. Don't know, look it up. Get out.
Maybe if we replace this bubble. Watch that outcome. I said it right here. Man, I feel comfortable. I understand.
Clear this shit the fuck up. Oh, you did have a text while you was in the hospital.
On my phone. Oh, I'm recording. I ain't talking shit. Might not. Damn, it be-
And look, y'all, as soon as he walk away, got it. Instantly. Boom.
Maybe you been out here struggling.
No.
They got you on camera. We got you on camera putting light
Picking
in
this
backwards.
one up, putting that one down. It's crazy out here.
Somebody taking a picture. We showing our progress. We gonna continue tomorrow. But we just showing the progress. We done. We gotta get all the bottom lights. Oh, and come to find out, we gotta change the condenser. Y'all see it bent? But it's not bent too far. Alright, that's it for tonight. Catch us tomorrow, gang. We out.